as your hand is on your heart, you're finding your center. And this beautiful note F, this golden crystal ball, is helping us to tune into that heart center. Visualizing that color gold shining from within your heart. Radiating out. And then tuning into the sound note A. This is our pineal gland, our intuition. Seeing if there's something, some feelings, something come up for you. And not just right now, but through the day. Be mindful of your intuition. Go ahead, very gently place both hands on top of your hips, on top of your lower belly, and start breathing into your belly. Start waking up our energy of life, of digestion, of elimination, of letting go. Beautiful. And as you're ready, you're gonna place your feet flat on the ground and knees are pointing up. Good. You're gonna keep your hands on your belly and continue breathing in and out of your belly. As you're ready, you're going to very gently bring your right knee to the chest and keep relaxing everything. Just tuck your knee to as close to your chest as comfortable and relax here. Take a couple moments to breathe and enjoy. Beautiful. As you're ready, you're going to stretch your right leg up. Put your hands behind your shin. Point your toes towards you and just gently pull right here. Deep breath. Beautiful. Go ahead, slowly raise your head up. Put your hand on your foot or your shin and just stretch like that, nice and deep. Good. Go ahead, come slowly down. Perfect. Relax your hands by their sides. Bend your knee. Create nice big circles in your hip, in your right hip. Perfect. Go ahead, opposite direction. Beautiful job. Let's go ahead, stretch our right leg up one more time. Hands are down. And just shake it out. Good. Loosen it up. Shake it out. Good. Shake your foot. Shake your shin. Perfect. And then go ahead, step your right foot down. And let's bring our right foot down, left knee to the chest, and just hold right here. Deep breath. Beautiful. Let's go ahead, stretch our left leg to the sky. Hands behind our shin. We're pointing toes up and we're breathing and enjoying the stretch. Beautiful job. Let's go ahead and walk our hands all the way up to your toes, to your heels, and pull yourself gently in and out. Excellent. Go ahead, slowly come down. Relax your arms by your sides. Bend your left knee and massage out all the tension in your left hip. Nice deep breath. Beautiful. Let's go ahead, opposite direction. Beautiful job. And then go ahead, bring your left leg up and shake it all out. Loosen up all the tension in your left leg, left shin, left hip, all the way into your hip. Shake it out. Good job. Good. And let's slowly put our left foot down. Perfect. Let's go ahead, bring both legs up. Put both hands behind, below our knees. Relax our shoulders, relax our arms. Toes are pointing towards ourselves, so towards the face. And then close your eyes. Nice big belly breath. Beautiful. Point your toes up to the sky. Raise your head. Bring your arms up. Point your fingertips. Good. And then stretch like you're trying to reach one leg at a time. Up and down. One side at a time. Good job. Beautiful. And then go ahead, grab a hold of your feet or your shins. And we're going to do the same thing isometrically. One leg long, bend another one. Nice deep breath. So this is so good for us. It stretches the whole body. If you make this a habit to do this in bed before you wake up, you will never shrink. You will always have your legs. Beautiful. And then when you're ready, you're going to have both hands behind your shins. Bring your head up and start gently rocking yourself, massaging your spine.